Welcome to my channel, Tech Explorer. Grimburg Gavle Pistol. The Grimburg Gavle pistol is a CO2-powered non-lethal weapon designed for self-defense. Unlike traditional firearms, it fires large round balls capable of piercing aluminum sheets, intended to cause significant bruises without being fatal. This pistol can be equipped with an elator for enhanced targeting accuracy and features an easy-to-clean barrel that opens at the rear, secured with a hex bolt. Priced at $499, the Gavle pistol offers a robust design and non-lethal approach, making it a practical choice for personal protection in various scenarios, including home defense and personal safety during outdoor activities. Byrna TCR Rifle. The Byrna TCR rifle is a versatile CO2-powered self-defense weapon designed to fire round balls using 12-gram CO2 tanks. It is capable of stopping and subduing individuals effectively, regardless of their size. The rifle has a realistic appearance and can be upgraded with additional features such as folding front and rear sights, a vertical front grip, and a large-capacity 28cm barrel. It also comes with 7 and 12-round magazines. Priced at $600, the Byrna TCR rifle provides a powerful and reliable tool for personal security, suitable for various self-defense situations, including home and travel safety. SMP Security Robots. These autonomous robots are designed for advanced surveillance, patrolling designated routes to detect intruders. The Picard model, a notable example, is equipped with facial recognition technology and a thermal camera, allowing it to spot and track individuals from up to 100 meters away. Additionally, it can notify users about open car doors or windows, enhancing situational awareness. Typically deployed in groups of 3, these robots offer a comprehensive security solution, providing consistent monitoring and quick response capabilities, making them an essential tool for maintaining safety in various environments, such as campuses, industrial sites, and public spaces. Pavashot Penshot. The Pavashot Penshot is a discreet self-defense tool designed to look like an ordinary pen, but capable of firing a pepper spray-like compound. Effective at deterring attackers from up to 9 meters away, it also features a serrated edge for close combat situations. This dual-function pen provides a practical and portable means of self-defense, making it an ideal choice for personal safety in various situations such as commuting, traveling, or walking alone. Priced at $149, the Pavashot Penshot combines convenience with effective protection, fitting easily into everyday carry items and offering peace of mind. SEEON 180 Degrees Backpack. The SEEON 180 Degrees Backpack offers advanced security with an integrated camera and AI algorithms that monitor the area behind the user. If anything unusual is detected, it sends a notification to the user's smartphone, ensuring constant situational awareness. Additionally, the backpack features a 20,000 mAh battery and a solar panel for recharging on the go, providing continuous operation without the need for frequent charging. This smart backpack combines convenience and security, making it a practical choice for those who need to stay aware of their surroundings while carrying their essentials. It is available for pre-order at $443.